April of Yes to Next here with my mom, Aiko.
Hi.
Today we have a 10-minute high-intensity interval training workout for you today.
A HIIT, huh?
Yes, we're taking a quick 10-minute HIIT. Okay,
10 minutes.
That's right. Get your heart rate up. We're going to burn some calories. All right.
Okay.
Awesome. You don't need any equipment for this workout, or clear the area. Make sure that you tape down or secure any loose rugs, and have water handy.
Yeah, that's
okay.
right.
All right. So here's the format. We're doing 3 exercises, 30-second rounds.
2, 3.
That's right.
Wow.
And we're doing those 3 exercises 3 times. Okay?
Oh boy.
That's right. There'll be rest built in between. Okay.
That's good.
All right. Okay. So any thoughts?
Not yet. Ask me in 5 minutes.
Okay.
When we're halfway through.
That's right. I have faith in you. That's right.
That
Always
couch looks
Sofa,
good.
go at your own pace. All right.
Yeah,
So
go at your own pace.
that's right. We'll take a quick pause here and get started with our warm-up. Okay, let's just warm it up. Just march it in place.
Okay.
It's gonna be a real quick little HIIT workout. Okay. All right. So give me some side steps. We'll be doing this kind of motion in the workout.
That's
Okay.
good. This is my favorite.
That's right.
Could do this for 30 minutes.
Hey, it's a great workout. Get your heart rate up. Okay, give me some side reaches with that tap. Good. Okay, give me 4 more. 4. Good. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. March it out. Good. Breathe, everybody.
Yeah, keep breathing.
Okay. Give me some good posture. Ears, shoulders, hips in alignment. Give me some heel touches forward. Okay. Forward. Good. Yes. Okay. And always, this is a HIIT workout, so within the intervals, you want to, go one at your own pace. But if you really want to ramp it up, ramp it up. Okay, hands forward. Forward. Good.
Yeah, mom's pace and April's pace.
That's right. Yes. And breathe.
Mom's pace is better.
Remember
pace
that's good.
Remember
March
the
it out.
tortoise.
March it out. Okay. Yeah, tortoise in the hair, right? Okay. All right, we're just gonna give me some nice little kicks. So kick right. I'm giving you some weight shifting here. Go slow. Okay, slow. Good. Nice. You feel this weight shift?
Yeah, like
Okay.
a balance.
This is good for balance. Okay, give me 4 more. This is 4. Good. 3, 2, and 1, and rest. Very nice. Okay. Nice job on this workout. Take a quick pause and get started with our HIIT workout. All right, so our first exercise is going to be a skater. This is me doing it more advanced, right? Here. And Mom, you're just doing your favorite side step.
Good job.
Okay. All right.
I like
Okay,
that.
so we are on. Here we go. Skater, skater, skater. Good. And keep it going. We're here for 30 seconds. Breathe, everyone. Whoo, yes. This is a side-to-side motion. Really good.
Yeah, for balance, right? That's
Legs balance, walking, really nice. Okay, keep it going. And with HIIT training, you want to get your heart rate up. So even after these intervals, if you're a little bit out of breath, that's okay. Okay? All right, and active rest.
All right.
Oh yeah, march it out. Keep the feet moving. Whew. Believe it or not, even in this 10-minute workout, you're going to get some major steps in.
Very good.
Okay?
That's
All right. So next exercise is going to be a double knee up with the arms up.
Okay.
Watch me weight shift here.
Okay.
Go slow. Now, can't get the knees up. That's okay. Give me those toe taps.
Okay.
Okay?
I'll try both.
Okay. Here we go. We're on. Double knee up and arms up. Weight shift. Double knee arms. Yes. And good. Up. Up. You're going to feel this. Breathe, everyone. Now, don't have to go at our pace. You want to go slower? Please do.
Yeah.
This is a challenging one because it's really challenging your balance.
Yeah, and coordination.
Coordination. Plus, we got our arms up. You're working your heart big time. Okay, rest. Did you feel that?
Oh, yeah, I did.
I felt that.
That's good.
Are you feeling a little dewy already?
Yeah, feeling a little bit. That's
Okay.
good. Yeah.
Really nice.
Easy.
Okay.
Easy peasy.
Oh, easy but challenging. Okay. So our last exercise in this round is going to be, I want you just to march it out.
Okay.
I want you to go as fast as you can. Or, you can do high knees, right?
Okay.
And you can even ramp up the pace. Okay, so I'm gonna do high knees, okay? We're on. I'm gonna do high knees just like this, okay? You don't have to do that. We're just gonna do high knees and I'm gonna ramp up the speed in the next round.
Okay.
Okay? Now, when I say turn, I want you to turn to the right or left.
Okay.
And keep moving your feet, okay? So
All right.
turn right. March it out, keep it going. Ooh, yes, breathe, everyone. Okay, turn center. Oh, yeah. You got that?
I got it.
All right, that's what it's gonna be. That's what it's gonna look like.
Okay.
Okay, and rest. Okay, that was the first round.
Okay.
45-second rest. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling a little dewy. I'm gonna take a little sip
Get
of
in
water
there.
here.
Get in there. Gonna fan myself off.
That's right. And I'll fan you a little bit with
Okay.
my long fingers
It's a
here.
deal.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, breathe it out. Nice recovery here. I like that you're keeping your feet moving during this whole 10-minute workout, okay? Really nice. So we're going back again, going back into round 2, into our skaters or the side stepping, right? Okay, keep it going. A few more seconds. Okay, breathe everyone. Whew. Here we go, and we're on. Okay, skater, skater. Now, I can ramp it up by taking a little hop or even more distance between my feet.
My favorite.
Okay?
I'm
Yes.
gonna be able to do this for a while.
Good job. And breathe, everyone. Whew. Okay, so you can hop it to increase the intensity. You can increase the speed. This is your workout.
Yeah, it's good. If you can do that, that's
And
great.
rest. March it out.
That's great.
Good work. Okay, nice. Now,
Yeah.
going into that double knee with double arms.
Okay.
Okay, so just march it out. We're good here. Whew, really nice. Feel your blood moving?
Yes, it is.
Uh-huh.
Going up and down.
Good.
My
Really
legs
nice.
are saying.
Okay, here we go. Double knee up. And shift. Feel this weight shift. Okay? And again.
It's good.
Don't worry about speed. You know, if you can't do it at our pace, don't worry.
right.
I just want you to at least try to do this,
Yeah.
okay? And if
Try
you-
it, and if it doesn't work, go slow.
That's right. Or don't do the knee lift, right?
Yeah. Do something else.
Just do the toe tap.
Yeah. That's good.
And
Toe tap
breathe.
is good.
Toe tap's good.
Yeah.
And if you're getting your arms above your head,
Yeah.
you're really working your heart.
Yeah.
Breathe and rest. Ooh. Yes. Really nice, everybody. Keep it going.
Okay.
March it out. Good work. Breathe. Breathe in.
Yeah. I'm breathing.
Wow. Okay, good. All right.
It's good to breathe, let me tell you.
Okay, now next round,
All
we're
right.
doing those high knees. You remember how that look? I'm gonna ramp it up a little bit with my speed.
Okay.
But you just march it out.
All right.
And when I say turn, you're gonna turn.
Okay.
Okay? All right. Okay. Turn right. March it fast. Woo! Okay, turn center. Okay, high knees. Good. Breathe it out, everybody. Okay, turn left. I'm going fast feet. Fast feet, fast feet, fast feet. Turn center. High knees. Good work. Keep it going here. Very nice. And rest. All right, nice, nice, nice. Come back here, Mom.
Okay.
I want you to stay in frame. Good.
Well, I was moving.
Don't want you to go off there out in the
I was
hinterlands. You were moving.
Yeah, I was moving.
All right, sip of water, take a breather. You're breathing heavy right now? That's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, keep it going. Listen to your body.
Yeah,
Okay.
always.
Always listen to your body.
Always.
Okay, got a little bit more in you? Let's do it for round 3, our last round.
Yep, got to go for
Right.
it. We made it this far.
That's right. It's really nice, compact, but
I know you could do it.
that's right. Heart pumping workout. You're here, you're doing it. Great job on
Good
showing
job.
up. All right, here we go. Skater. Okay, you're doing side steps.
Yeah.
Good. I'm gonna take up some space here. Increase the intensity. Breathe. Nice. Oh yes. This is our last round. Skaters go bye-bye after this one.
Yeah, good.
Okay?
That's good news.
Always
It's always good news
good job.
at the end.
Breathe. Here we go. And rest. Nice work.
Okay.
All right. You know, don't you always, I don't know about you, but well, I should ask you, how do you feel after you do a workout?
Oh, always feel good.
Right?
Yeah. It's
So-
really, your body just feels good. Your body's meant to move. So it's good. Even
Very
at
true.
my age, you got to move.
Any age, you're right.
Well, at any age, true.
Yeah. You're a young 81. Okay, knees up, arms up. Right, good, weight shift. Oh yeah, this is a good one. Oh yes. You're working your entire body on this move.
Yeah, I can feel it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Upper body, core. Gotta stay upright. Breathe. Oh yes. Keep it going.
It's good though.
Oh yeah. And breathe. And rest.
There we go.
Nice work.
Okay.
Nice work, everyone.
Good job.
Okay, do you believe we're in our last
All right.
exercise round?
Yay.
Already? See how fast that went?
I love it. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's great.
Yeah. And you know what? Sometimes you don't feel motivated. That's okay. You know,
Oh,
just
sure.
get up.
Just
okay?
get up.
Just do anything for 30 seconds. It's good. Okay. It's all about just setting your
moving.
mind to just move.
To get that heart pumping.
That's
Gotta
right. Okay.
Get it moving.
We're on. Give me some high knees or just step it out. Okay. I'm going to give you some high knees, and I'm going to tell you to turn. I'm just some fast feet. Okay.
I'm doing fast feet.
You're doing. Oh, great. Wow.
This
Okay.
is my last one.
That's right, last round. Turn to your left. Good. All right, keep it going. I like what I'm seeing. Okay, turn center. Good job. Last, this is last. Turn right. Good job. All right, turn center. And breathe, everyone. Nice work. Whew. Kudos.
job.
Nice. Applause all around, everyone. Whew. All right, keep the feet moving. Okay, let's sidestep it. Cool it down. Cool down. Arms, just rest. Good job. All right, give me those nice side reaches that we started with. We're ending with these two. Okay, nice work. Okay, and give me 3 inhale, exhales. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale, and exhale, and one more. Inhale, clap at the top, reach. Oh, yes.
Good job.
Center, other side, and center, and come on down. Nice work, everyone. If you need more cool down, get that heart rate down, check out our cool down video, okay? It's important to get your heart rate down, your muscles relaxed, okay?
Good.
All right, so thank you so much for joining us for this quick 10-minute HIIT.
Good job.
If you like this video, please give it a like, share, a comment, and subscribe to our channel. It helps us to reach even more friends around the world, and we so appreciate it. All right, so we look forward to seeing you in a future workout. And in the meantime, keep moving.
See you soon.